Okay, so we're back on Homelabing. So we finally installed some database on ipv4. So this is one of my project on ipv4. Make a mysql server so that you can access outside the ipv4. So you can do this on ipv if you have already ipv6. You're gonna open port. How are we gonna say it? So I read some documentation about on default port on MySQL. So they say it's 33 or 6. And okay, so I'm not gonna lie, this thing's over complicated. It gonna takes me a lot to like debug this thing, even prompt. You can just like keep spamming this thing and later on you're gonna change it. That's a lot of work to do. So maybe it takes me 2 or 3 days like to fully understand this thing. And so we're gonna use some old hardware that I have right now. So I'm not gonna use the i6 i5 that I have. I'm gonna keep those 6th gen for my test, for my database only. I'm gonna test it right now. Like I told you, maybe it takes me like 3 days to figure out this thing. I can run this thing right now if you just follow this thing up, but that's not the point for entire thing. Like you're learning like something, but we're gonna take our database from our WordPress and try to connect this on here, blah 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 blah, and it should be work or something like that. First we're gonna back up that. A lot of things that you're gonna learn on backup things, everything before you like migrate to a new database. So basically this is an old desktop for my server anyway. And if you like to upgrade this to the higher generation of, of Intel, the same thing, you're gonna redo what you're doing right now anyway. So for now, so I'm gonna like learn this thing, install into the ipv4 and connect it on outside the ipv4. So I'm gonna already install the Ubuntu server. We're gonna make this an headless server so we can access it on our desktop, so we can change everything. You know what? See you next video anyway. So and yeah,